hell?
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. And today, family, going to check out this new market. It's actually in front Aga Khan, in front of the hospital family. So it's a market, and I always want to go inside to see what is inside. So we're gonna check it out now, family. So we're gonna show that to you. So this is the market in Westland Junction, Terven Foods Market. Yes, family. So let's actually check it out. You see a parking right here. We're gonna take it. Ooh, sweet. Yeah, family. So let's go. Join us while we go inside to show you what they have inside.
I'll buy onions. I don't have any.
Onions. I'm looking for some nice ones, right? Hello. Well, we're just looking.
They want onions.
Oh, yes, we buy where you see the best place to buy. I want plantains. Chocho. This is the top. Yeah, family, so as you can see, this market is so big. Bigger than big. Biggest market. I guess if you have like a restaurant, family, this is where you come. This is where you come to shop. This is another side too. Banana. I guess we could go on the other side. No, back this side. They even have coconut, jelly coconut here. Coconut man. If you go and take him full of buckle for me. Look at this papaya they do. Cantaloupe. Nice bananas. See my pumpkin juice. Oh, what are these? Watermelon? Jelly. Get some coconut. Nobody's there. Put it in this market. Go and come back. What's this, sweetie?
I don't know. Even this one. How much is it?
Yeah, look nice. Sweet sound.
Wa kwanza kote kwenye nenda kubai
nasema kusema utakaa gireti unakata hivyo ili watu wakonifahamu. Yaani ulikula nini?
Purple banana. How you sell it?
Red banana.
Yeah, how you sell it?
I'm selling.
How you sell it? How much?
Dozen.
Eh?
Dozen
250.
Dozen. 12.
Ah. Okay. How much for this, for the bunch? That's really, but expensive. So it's just 6 and 1. 2, 4, 6, 8. How much for these one?
This one is sell a bunch of
100. So why this one is for 250?
Why is it so expensive?
Make 200.
Guy. 150 and I get 2 bunch. I think sweetie because it.
150.
Yeah? I don't know why you're allowing me to talk, but I don't you talk. The one that made it fine.
Yes, you can hear me speaking.
Did you ever eat this banana yet?
I need it.
Eh?
When she never brought it.
Ah, yeah. We bought it there too. This red one is sweeter, sweetie.
I feel it's very sweet like this.
Yeah. Red mangoes.
Baba mfalme wa bingu na nchi na kuheshimu na kuabudu hata milele.
Kilo mbili?
Asante kwa ajili ya pendo lako
What for that one?
tunatukusudia yaliyo
350. Alright.
Bwana ameliheshimu neno nao la heshima.
Eh? Yeah, family. So we finished from the market. These are some of the things that we get from the market. And how was the market? It was good. So guys, like, share and comment on the video. Let us know your thoughts. This market is actually in Westland, so you can actually check it out. So that's the purple banana. How it is? See, it's different from the other banana, true. It's more glowy. And that the rest of the banana is foamy. This one is so glowy. Yeah, family. So this is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. We're just getting out of the market. Like, share, and comment on the video. We are out. One love, Jamaica. Yeah, family. So home with this jackfruit, and if you're a Jamaican, you know jackfruit. You know, as a youth growing up in the countryside, you just see jackfruit and you pick it. You know, you lick, you bounce it on the ground, take out the stain. It's very sticky. This is a stain, family. It's like beats on the tree. Remove the stain before we eat. So my hand is very sticky right now. So I want to cut this this jackfruit, and I'm gonna put it in a plate. You know, peg it out. You can even boil the seed to family. We used to boil the seed and eat it back in Jamaica. So as you can see, family, and the soursop is right there. Soursop, native fruits. These are the fruits you remember in Jamaica. And these fruits used to be free. You never used to pay for these fruits. When you get commercialized, you have to pay for these fruits, family. This is anchor fruit from Jam Tours Africa. Just sharing some tropical Jamaican fruits with you that I found here in Kenya. Purple banana, y'all see it in Jamaica. Let me know if you see it in Jamaica. We have some okra. This is a fruit that actually found in Kenya, family. It's very nice. It's like supporter. You can research it. It's supporter, family. We have some okra and some cantaloupe there. Yeah, family, so like, share the video, and let me know if you visit this market in Westlands. It's opposite the hospital in Westlands. You can just visit it, check it out. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa. I'm out. Like, share, and comment on the video.